Hi students, welcome again to consignment account. Last three videos, introduction, journal entries, one problem we learned. Now we are doing textbook problems. Those are from Kalyani Publishers. So from that each problem I will explain. Selected problems I will explain according to the model. So our model problems are one is total stock sold, unsold stock, invoice price, abnormal loss and both losses. Okay, so now we are taking the problems from textbook for total stock sold. That is problem number 1. So I am reading the problem, please. Ram and Co. Kolkata consigned 50 cases of goods, 200 each to Nathan of Mumbai. Two parties are there. One is Ram and Co. is consignor. That is from Kolkata. Then Nathan is consignor. Here onwards, consignee name is written as Nathan. Right. Now 250 cases of goods at the rate of 200 sent to consignee. So entry will be consignment account data to goods sent on consignment. Consignment account data to goods sent on consignment to 10,000. How I got 10,000 into 200. Into 200. Okay. So no entry in the books of consignment. Consignor pays 200 for insurance and freight 300. Consignor paid 200 for insurance, 300 for freight. So these are consignor expenses. Consignor expenses entry, consignment account data to cash account 500 for consignor expenses. Nathan sent an account sale showing the gross proceeds at 24,000. So account sales are sent by consignee to consignor, and consignee is reporting that total goods are sold for 24,000. Sales we have entry consignee account data to consignment account. What is the name of the consignee? Nathan account. Nathan account data to consignment account. Amount is 24,000. Here also we will record in the books of consignee cash account data. So what is the name of the consignor? Ram and Co, I think. Yes, Ram and Co. Goods sold by consignee. Okay. Now look at the problem. Sales we recorded. The expenses paid by Nathan. Nathan is consignee. Were dock dues 20, carriage 50, 70, warehouse 130, 200. These 200 are the expenses belongs to consignee. Consignee expenses entry is consignment account data to consignee account. Consignee name is Nathan. It is 200. So consignee expenses also we record in the books of consignee. The name of consignor, Ram account data, Ram and Co account data to cash or bank account. It is 200. Marriage needs expenses paying for sales. Next we'll move to problem. He sent the amount due to the consignor after deducting 4% commission. Now we have to pass journal entry for commission. Commission entry is consignment account data to consignee account. Consignee name is Nathan. Amount is 960. Is 960. Here also consignor account data. Account data. To commission account 960. 960. How I got 960? 24,000 into 4%, 0.04 is equal to, we have to write in Excel. Okay, just you see 960 exactly. Right, you try in calculator, so you will get same. Give journal entries in the books of both the parties. Over. So there is no advance, no entry here. We can remove this. Format will be disturbed. Okay. So consignee account, sales. There is no unsold stock. Now we prepare ledger accounts in the books of consignor. First account is, we will go through the journal entries in the books of consignor only and 3 accounts. Consignment account data to goods sent on consignment. GSC account. Amount is 10,000. And in goods sent on consignment account, by consignment account. Is 10,000. Next, second entry is consignment account data to cash account. Consignment account debit side to cash account. Amount is 500. There is no advance. Next, consignment account data to Nathan account for consignee expenses. Consignment account debit side to Nathan account. Amount is 200. And in Nathan account, by consignment account. Amount is 200. Right. Next, sales. Nathan account data to consignment account. So here it is the Nathan account. Nathan account data to consignment account. Amount is 24,000. So in consignment account credit side, by Nathan. By Nathan account, 24,000. Right. Now, sales we recorded. Next, sixth journal entry, commission. Consignment account data to Nathan account. 960, and in Northern account by consignment amount is 960. 960. Okay, so there is no unsold stock, and now we have to calculate profit. All entries amounts entries with the, now we will take difference. It is 12,000. Is 12,000. Remaining 12,000 I have to write. So 12,340 is the profit. So profit and loss account. Already entry, journal entry already written without amounts. That entry is consignment account data to profit and loss account 12,340. Now we'll move to close the Northern account. How much due is there? Okay. So here it is 24,000. So we need to get 24,000. It is 840. And 22,000 total. So that amount is, balance amount is by bank. For this also we were ready with the journal entry. That is profit one journal entry is there. Cash or bank account data 22 140. Check that. 22 840. So cash or bank account data to Northern account. Balance amount received. Here Ram and Co account data. To bank account or bills payable account. So here we are taking either cash or bank. That amount is 22 840. Right. So balance amount will be paid by consignee to consignor. In consignor book we are writing as it is receiving. In consignee book we are writing as it is paying. Okay. So next goods sent on consignment account to purchase account. Amount is 10,000. Account will be closed with the 10,000. Entry also we already passed. That is goods sent on consignment account data to purchase account. GSC account closed or transferred to purchase. So this is the accounting procedure, journal entries as well as future accounts in the books of consignor. Now we are going to do ledger accounts in the books of consignee. In the consignee books, we have to prepare consignor account, that is Ram and Co account, and commission account. So we will follow the green area. Okay. First entry, no advance paid. Second entry, Ram account data to bank account for expenses. Bank account. Amount is 200. Next entry is for sales, I think. Yes, sales. Bank account data to Ram account. In Ram account, credit side by bank. Amount is 24,000. And in Ram account, debit side to commission. Amount is 960. And in commission account by Ram account, Ram account, amount is 960. And the balance amount paid, we pass entries in both the assets. So Ram account data to bank account. Amount is 22,840. With that amount will be balanced. Okay, for this already we passed entry. Ram account data to bank. So commission is transferred to profit and loss account. Yeah, profit and loss account. Amount is 960. Total will be 960. Okay, students. So just we will pass one adjustment entry, that is commission account data. Commission account data to profit and loss. Commission transfer to P&L account. Okay, students, over. We pass channel entries in the books of consignor and consignee. Okay, we will go to the problem number 2. Second problem. Entry same. Just look at the problem. The Mumbai Mills Limited. So here the visibility is very less. And try to buy the book and look at the, follow the video, look at the textbook. And whenever you have a doubt, refer the example problems, whether it is correct or not. Any deviations is there, and direct message to my personal number. Okay, students. Right. Second problem. The Mumbai Mills Limited of Mumbai consigned to their Kolkata agent 10,000 rupees worth of rupees goods. So Mumbai Mills is consignor. Kolkata agent is a consign. So goods sent on consignment is 10,000. Right. Drawing on Kolkata. Goods drawing on Kolkata for the amount. So there is a advance draft paid is 10,000 rupees. Advance BYR is BYR balance, bills received. Sorry, account data to Kolkata agent account. 10,000. Mumbai Mills Limited account. To bills payable account. 10,000. Advance paid. Advance bills payable is accepted. Okay. Right. So we are following according to the problem. Right. And they pay charges, freight and insurance on the consignment amount into 650 and discount the bill which costs rupees 200. First consignor expenses. Consignor expenses are 600. Next bill is discounted. The bill is discounted, entry will be where is advance? After this bill is discounted, we will pass entry. Just a moment, okay? We'll insert. We have to pass journal entry for discount. No? That's why we are inserting. Entry is bank account data. Discount account data. To bills receivable account. Receivable account. Bill amount is 10,000. Discount is 200. 9,800 is the narration is BYR discounted. This entry we know very well from previous chapter, that is bills of exchange. BYR discounted. Right. So now we recorded consigned expenses 600 and the bill is discounted for 200. The goods were received in Kolkata in due course. The account sales was received as follows. 200 bales piece of goods at 14,000. These are sales. Goods sold by consignee. So sales entry we are already written except consignee name. Consignee name is Kolkata agent. Account data to consignment account. Amount is 14,000. And here cash account data. There is no credit sales, and that's why we are this. What is the name of the consignor? Consignor name is Mumbai Mills. Mumbai Mills Limited. So in the books of consignee, cash account data to Mumbai Mills Limited account. Sales amount is 14,000. Okay. So the next in the statement, from the statement we have to understand the, so commission is 700 and consignee expenses are 570, 570 plus 80, 850, 868, 668, 570, 650, 668. Consignee expenses are 668. Consignee expenses entry, consignment account data to Kolkata agent. Amount is 668. And here, name of consignor, we have to record those expenses. Mumbai Mills. Cash or bank. Amount is 668. Okay, narration is selling expenses. Right. Commission already very clearly given 700. No percentages, directly amount. So 700. Sales analysis. Right. Next entry is for commission. Consignment account data to consignee account. Name of the consignee is Kolkata. Amount is 700. And here we have to record in the name of consignee, Mumbai Mills account data. commission. Okay. So total stock is sold. There is no unsold stock. Now we have to record these entries in the books of consignor. Consignor books three ledger accounts. One is consignment account. Another one is consignee account. Consignee name is Kolkata agent. So you check with the journal entries. I will post. Consignment account letter to goods and time consignment. Amount is 10,000. And second entry is consignment account letter to cash account. Amount is 600. Third entry is advance. Bills receivable account letter to Kolkata agent. By bills receivable. Amount is 10,000. Next entry discount. Discount may not appear here. And next is consignee expenses to Kolkata agent. Consignment account letter to 668. Here also we have to write by consignment. Amount is 668. Next one is for sales. Right. Kolkata agent account letter to consignment account. Amount is 14,000. And in consignment account by Kolkata agent. Amount is 40,000. Right. Next one is the commission. Kolkata agent. Commission entry is consignment account letter to consignee account, that is Kolkata agent. Amount is 700. In Kolkata agent by consignment. Amount is 700. That's all. Now we have to calculate. So 32 rupees will be 12,000. 203. To profit and loss account. We have to write. Already journal entry we prepared. Journal entry, just we have to post that. Consignment account letter to profit and loss account 203. Narration, simple narration also I prepared. Okay. Now we have to close consignee account, Kolkata agent account. It is 14,000. This also we have to total. $1,100 368, that is 632. 12,263. Balance. So by bank. This also already we prepared journal entry. Just we have to append the consignee name. Bank account data. Kolkata agent account. 263. Here also 263. Balance received. So this amount will be paid by consignee to consignor. Mumbai Mills account. So this consignee account with consignor account will be closed. 263. 263. That's all. Now we will close GSC account. In this by consignment, amount is 10,000. Transfer to trading to purchase account. Amount is 10,000. For this also, we paid journal entry. These three journal entries, profit, balance, R, and transfer to GSC, are based on the ledger accounts. 10,000 is transferred to. Right. So now we completed in the books of consignor. Now we will prepare the ledger account of consignor account, that is Mumbai Mills Limited. And commission account in the books of consignee. Okay. Right. Number one is advance to bills payable. To cash account, consignee expenses, 668. To commission account, 700. To bank account, balance amount paid 263. And this amount is a sales by bank account. Amount is 14,000. Okay, it is tallied because already this balance amount from the consignee account in the books of consignor. Then commission entry is by Mumbai Mills Limited. Amount is 700. Total is 700. This will be transferred to profit and loss account. This we will write one journal entry by closing this account. So commission account data. Amount is 700. Commission transfer to P&L account. Okay, students, that is the problem number 1 and 2 from textbook. Okay, bye students, take care.